Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video we are going to see lunch routine vlog, and for lunch today we have prepared mom's special recipe. I'm going to cook along with my mom mutton keema ball gravy and instant finger millets ball. Before moving into a video, if you're watching my channel for the first time, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Here I have taken 750 grams of minced mutton, washed it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times. Separate the bone pieces into a bowl and transfer the minced mutton into a blender. Here I am using my Master Chef jar. You can use a normal blender. For mutton keema ball gravy, the mutton should be soft and tender and minced it well. Once transferring into a blender, add all the spice ingredients like 1 spoon of chili powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric and 1 spoon of coriander powder and half a spoon of pepper. You can gradually increase or decrease the quantity of spiciness according to your taste, and salt as per your taste, and set it aside. Meanwhile, into a blender, add 1 spoon of fennel seeds and 3 to 4 spoons of roasted gram dal. Gram dal helps to binding the minced meat, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 4 cloves, and grind into a very fine powder. Now add this roasted gram dal flour into the minced meat and blend it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it all combines well. Meanwhile, place a clay pot and add all the bone pieces and add required amount of water. Add all the spice ingredients like 1 spoon of coriander powder, chili powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric and salt as per your taste. Mix it well and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Let it cook. In meanwhile, I am going to chop all the veggies required for the mutton keema ball gravy. For this, here I have taken 3 medium sized tomato and 4 medium sized onion. Chop it roughly, and 1 cup of coconut chunks, 5 to 10 garlic buds and 2 inches of ginger, 1 spoon of roasted gram dal, 1 spoon of fennel and 2 inches of cinnamon sticks. Into a blender, add 5 to 10 garlic buds and coconut chunks, cinnamon, roasted gram dal and 1 spoon of fennel and coriander. Grind them into a fine paste and transfer into a separate bowl. Into a same blender, add all the roughly chopped onions and tomatoes and make it into a fine paste. In this way. Meanwhile, into a clay pot, add the coconut paste and onion and tomato paste and mix it well, and dilute the gravy by adding the water and let it allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Add the required amount of salt as per your taste. Now take out the minced meat from the blender and transfer it to a separate bowl. Mix it well and make it into small balls as shown in the video. If you want, you can even add an egg which acts as a binding agent, and check the salt and make it into small balls. For 750 grams of minced meat, we can get around 20 to 25 balls. Once done by making all the balls, set it aside. Meanwhile, we will check whether the gravy is cooked or not. Mix it well and just let it allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a high flame. After 5 minutes, open up the lid, mix it well, and now start adding all the minced meatballs. Drop one by one carefully. There may be a chances of breaking the balls. After adding the meatballs, don't use the ladle, just turn around as shown in the video and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will check whether our meatballs are cooked or not. You can see the meatballs, just a perfect texture. So meanwhile we will prepare for the tempering. Transfer into another burner and place a kadai. Add 4 to 5 spoons of oil and let it allow it to heat, and once oil gets heated add 1 spoon of mustard. In the place of mustard you can even use 1 spoon of fennel seeds and let it allow it to splatter, and add about 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 5 to 6 crushed garlic pods and saute it well until the garlic pods become golden brown, and transfer the temper into the clay pot. Mutton keema ball gravy goes well with the finger millets ball. So here mom is going to prepare instant finger millets ball. I will show you how. Add tempering into the clay pot and mix it well and let it allow it to cook for 3 minutes on a high flame and cover with the lid, and after 3 minutes open up the lid and just add the coriander leaves. And here is our mutton keema ball gravy is ready. And for instant finger millets ball, place a vessel and add about 500 ml of water. If you want soft then add extra 50 ml of water. If you want little bit harder then reduce about 50 ml of water and add about 2 cups of cooked rice and let it allow it to boil. Add required amount of salt as per your taste. And now water starts boiling. Now add 2 cups of ragi flour or finger millets flour. And leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. And with the help of a wooden stick, mix it well without any lumps continuously. After 5 to 10 minutes, turn off your flame. You have to keep on mixing without any lumps so that your finger millets ball becomes smooth, soft. Mix it well as shown in the video. After 5 minutes, with the help of a ladder, take a small quantity of finger millets dough, then gently place it on the plate with your hands and then make it into a ball as shown in the video. And here is our instant finger millets ball is ready. Serve with hot mutton keema ball gravy. Just here I will show you the texture of the balls. Smooth, soft and tasty. Just dip your hands in the gravy and take a small quantity of finger millets ball. Place the mutton keema balls and just dip in the gravy and have it. Try it out guys. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.